Hello, hello, hello. It's Friday the 4th of October. Where has the year gone? We've almost been doing these videos for almost a year now. I'm your friendly neighbourhood bus driver, Ant. And this is another day with me on a Friday. We're late today. What are we doing? I think it's like quarter past 1 start. 14 minutes past 1 till 21:14. 2 trips to Rochdale and back, and a break in between. We normally travel passenger, and I don't normally record these because I don't like recording when I'm traveling passenger. But the DM did ring me and say, "Hey, could you take a bus over?" Why is it not tracking my face? I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It's tracking the mirror. So yeah, I've not done one of these for a while. Some of you love them, some of you hate them, some of you think they're boring. I don't know. Some do well, some do terrible. I can't work out the YouTube algorithm. I can't understand what I'm doing wrong. There's some people that don't even put tags in their videos and they get 15k views with 3,000 followers. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just a good title. That's all you need. My hair is looking terrible. I need a haircut. I need a beard chop. I've got my driver card. Always the most important thing we carry is our driver qualification license. So yeah, I'm just going to put my high vis on. Can I balance you here without upsetting the camera? No, where can I put you? I'll put you there. Yeah, so a lot's been going on recently. Most of it I've put on. I'm over here. It really doesn't want to focus today. Subject lost. Most of it I've talked about on like the Tuesday night stream. It's just, I think I had a little bit of burnout. That's all it was. Come back from holiday. September was a little bit of a burnout week. Burnout month. You imagine I've got a lot going on. But yeah, thanks for staying around, sticking with us. We have new subscribers. I haven't met you or spoke to any of you yet, but welcome to the channel. It's like, come with me as we go and get a bus for the DM and take it to Accrington, and then we'll maybe talk to Meraki. Well, bus successfully delivered. Number 6. I don't actually know what duty I'm on today. Let's have a look, see. Oh. So, my desk is 815. 54 takeover. 54 to 17:21. So, there's a bus coming in now. Three board. Is it alright out there? What's Wales like? Road's bad? No? Usually 5 minutes, mate, or probably I'm delayed, I don't know. Yeah. There's been a bit of emergency. There's been an accident in Whitworth. Unforeseen. There's a gas leak as well, so we're having to travel over Old Bets. The company's doing the best they can do, so we're going a weird way. But I've just got to Rochdale, and yeah, looks like it's going to be a problematic evening. But we just try and keep going. It's not nothing we can do. We just hope that the people. So yeah, I couldn't really talk about what was going on at Rochdale because one of my colleagues just needed some help, so I just run over to help him. But basically, it was an accident in at Turncliffe, I think it's called, in Whitworth. Cars flipped over, damaging gas mains, which meant our buses can't get down there we can get down there, but we can't get back. So there was a decision made to use Old Bets. So we were going to, they were sending buses down to Bacup, dropping people off, and then collecting people for Rochdale, and then swapping them at Rottenstall for Rochdale. So yeah, and then we got to Rochdale, and it was a bit of a catastrophe because TFGM just wasn't like on the ball. Realistically, we're on the ball. Where's my phone? I put my phone down somewhere. We're on the ball. Maybe I put my phone. What did I do with my phone? I've just had it. Oh, it's there. Crazy. So yeah, it's like the third or fourth accident we've had recently on the roads. We've had to really do quite a few diversions the last couple of weeks. Last Friday, we had to go via Newchurch, and then the week before, I think we had to go via Newchurch. So we've had 2 Fridays with massive diversions. So yeah, hopefully tonight we get to Rochdale and no problems. So I am out on board. So look, turn you around. I'm on board. Come on, focus. Board 13. This is DAS. This is what we get for digital duties. So I'm on board 13 next, and I depart at 24 minutes past the hour. So I'm just going to go to the bathroom, get myself sorted out, and then yeah, I don't know if I have to go to the house to get it because I don't have time to shut the toilets here. Right, leave it with me. I'll see you shortly.